Hey everyone, Frank here from GJS. In this video, I'm going to show you how to feed the film into your Coltex DTF printer and achieve perfect alignment.
So the first step to getting the media loaded in straight is to make sure that when it comes through, you have an equal distance from the edge of the pinch roller to the edge of the media on both the left-hand side and the right-hand side. A few millimeters difference won't matter, but we want to make sure it's as close as we can get it. Now, if you have to adjust it, never ever move the media from here, as that will cause it to come through skewed. If you have to move it across, you want to make sure you go around the back of the machine and move the entire roll across, and then load it through again. Once the media is loaded in straight, we now need to feed it down into the dryer. Hold the down button to move the media down into the machine. Keep feeding it until the edge of the media just comes into line with the shaker section. Once the edge of the media is just inside the machine, we can drop it inside the tray. The reason for doing this is this tray moves side to side so it can auto center. We want to make sure that we don't have the media up on one side, because that means the tray is not in the correct position. So we can move this by hand just until we see those edges come down a little bit flatter, and then we know we've got the tray centered to the media as it comes through. Now that the tray's in the correct position, we have to load the media up onto the belt. So we can feed the media down a bit further so there's more length, and then pick it up, drop it onto the belt and turn the vacuum on so that it holds it into position. Once that's in position, continue holding the down button until the media just comes into contact with the tray. So now the media is right where the tray is, and we can go ahead with our next alignment. Now for the final part of the process. We have to make sure that the media, after it comes down into the machine and back up onto the belt, isn't skewed. To do this, we have to measure from the inside edge of the dryer to the edge of the media. And we want to measure it on both sides, so on the way down and on the way back up, and make sure that that distance is the same. So if I measure it on this side, I get 31 millimeters. I want to measure again on this side and get the same measurement. If it is different, you'll have to turn the vacuum off and then move the media by hand into the same position, so 31 millimeters. Always double check and triple check in case the media has shifted a little bit. Make sure they're both the same. Now this measurement may not be the same every single time you do it, but as long as it matches from this side to that side, that is all that matters. So now I have them both set to 31 millimeters. I'll turn the vacuum back on, pour my powder in, and then we're good to start printing.
Now, here's some things to look for that might indicate that your film is not aligned correctly.
Okay, so some key indicators of you not having the media loaded straight is that once it is printed for a little while, you will start to see the media build up on one side. So it may look like this. It could be on either side, but once you start to see this happening, then it means it's going crooked. When it's like this, if it's left for long enough, this bulge will travel back to the head and may scratch and damage your heads. So as soon as you see this, it's super important that you pause the job and cancel it, and then reload your media again to get it back to perfect.
Thanks for watching, and if you need further help with the alignment of the film on your Coltex printer or anything else at all, feel free to get in touch with the GJS team using our support email address, help@gjs.co.